Madhuri Harinam, Madhuri Harinam, Madhuri Harinam, Madhuri Harinam, Madhuri Harinam, Madhuri Harinam. In Namo Shiva Jape Panchamukhi re, Namo Shiva Jape এই নাম শিব জপে পঞ্চমুখী রে, এই নাম শিব জপে মধুর এই হরি নাম, 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 মধুর এই হরি নাম। এই নাম ব্রহ্মা জপে চতুর্মুখী রে, এই নাম ব্রহ্মা জপে মধুর এই হরি নাম, মধুর এই হরি নাম, মধুর এই হরি নাম। এই নাম নারদ জপে বীণা যন্ত্রে রে, এই নাম নারদ জপে মধুর এই হরি নাম, 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 মধুর এই হরি নাম। এ নাম ভাসে ওজা মিল বৈকুণ্ঠ গেল রে, এ নাম ভাসে, এ নাম ভাসে ওজা মিল বৈকুণ্ঠ গেল রে, এ নাম ভাসে এই নাম বলতে বলতে ব্রজে চলো রে, এই নাম বলতে বলতে ভকতি বিনোদ বলে ব্রজে চলো রে, ভকতি বিনোদ বলে ব্রজে, এই নাম বলতে বলতে ব্রজে চলো রে, এই নাম বলতে বলতে হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, রাম 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে। So Nitai is so merciful. He brought such sweet name, Madhuri Harinam. This is so sweet, very sweet. Tasting sweetness? No sweetness, bitter. Isn't it? It's bitter. Stool is very sweet. Isn't it? Stool? Ah, yes. Stool is sweet. This holy name so sweet. Madhuram Madhuram Metan Mangalam Mangalanam Sakala Nigambali Satpalam Chit Sarupam. This holy name of Krishna, Krishna Nam, Hare Krishna. Much sweeter than the sweet taste. Madhuram Madhuram Metan. Much sweeter than the sweet taste. Tasting? Tasting? Little? Tasting? No taste, no, bitter. Bitter, no taste. Taste it, taste this. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. This is medicine for you, Baba. Sat Krishna Nam Charitadi Siddhapya Vidya Itopatapta Rasanasya Narochikan. Isn't it? Nectar of instruction. Upadeshamrita, Rupapad, Rupa Goswami has said. Krishnam Saritadi Siddhapya Vidya. Pitopatapta Rasanasya Narochikan. Kintu Adarad Anudinam Kharsaiva Justa Sadhavi Kramad Hoti. That's the Mula Hantri. Do you understand? The person who has been affected by jaundice, jaundice, Kamal Rog, jaundice. Eyes are yellow, urine is yellow, skin is yellow, jaundice. Excessive bile, Pitadhikya Rog. Bile becomes excessive, then one is becomes affected by jaundice. If you give him sugar candy, what do you say? Oh, bitter. Yeah. If you give him sugar candy is sweet. But to give him sugar candy, what will he say? To bitter. Not sweet. It's not sweetness. Isn't it? If you give him neem leaf, he said, oh, very sweet. Neem leaf is very sweet. Sugar candy is bitter for him. Yes, such a person. If you give him this holy name, it's much sweeter than the sweetest, but says, oh, bitter. Give him stool, oh, very nice. Yeah, that's hog. 2 legs. Hog has 4 legs, it has 2 legs. Hog, it 2 legs, 2-legged hog. See this 2-legged hog here. You have never seen anywhere 2-legged hog. We have kept it here. 2-legged hog. Yes. Keep it in the zoo. Keep it in the zoo. Much more money. Many people will come and see this hog, 2-legged hog. Wonderful. So, sell some tickets, buy, you get so much money. Come see 2-legged hog, wonderful creature. You see, Madhure Harinam, so sweet. And Nitai is so mercifully brought it from Brajbhumi, giving us the suffering souls here in Kali Yuga. Lord Shiva with his 5 faces, he chants this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Lord Brahma with his 4 heads, 4 mouths chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Madhure Harinam. This Harinam is so sweet. As a jaundice-affected person cannot taste the sweetness of sugar candy, similarly, a materialistic person, do you understand, is running after this material enjoyment, sense enjoyment, wholly engrossed in this material sense enjoyment, he cannot taste the sweetness here. Krishna Nama Charitadi Sita Pravidya. But this is medicine. This is medicine. If that jaundice-affected person goes to the physician, what medicine he'll prescribe and say, take it with the sugar candy. Oh, it's bitter. But that is medicine. Yes. Kintu anudinam adarad anudinam khalusaiva justa swadvi kramadavati tadgatamulahantri. If you have faith in the words of a physician and you are serious, yes, I will be free from this disease, this jaundice. I'll be okay, it will be sound, isn't it? Then though bitter, every day, according to the prescription of the physician, will take it. Then gradually, the bile, excessive bile will subside, it will keep up equilibrium. Vato, pito, kapha, 3 dhatus. Bile, air, mucus, if it is equal, then sound health. If there is some unequal, you understand, no equalism, then the disease is there. You understand? So gradually, the excessive bile will subside. Then you will taste, oh, very sweet. That's it. That's the medicine. So this Harinam is the medicine. And Nitai, merciful Nitai, gives you this. E Nam Narda Jape Vinanantrari, Narda Muni also chants this holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, playing his stringed instrument, Veena. E Nama Bhase Odamilo Vaikunthe Gelo Re, Nama Bolte Bolte Braje Chalore Bhakti Vinod. Attaining the Nama Bhase stage, Odamilo, such a great sinful person, goes to Vaikuntha, went to Vaikuntha, didn't go to Jamaja board, do you understand? So, it's only attaining Nama Bhase stage. Pure name means get Krishna. Krishna prem. ए नाम बोलते बोलते ब्रजे चलो भक्ति विनोद बोले भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर Mahajan Vaishnavacharya says chant this holy name, go back, come back, go to Brajbhumi. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Ram. This is the last thing, you understand?